Right, so today I'm on the east coast of the UK, a town called Bridlington, and it's a great location to test out the Ace Pro 2's Timeshift versus the Action 5 Pro's Hyperlapse. So just behind me there sits the town of Bridlington, and it's about 1.5 miles across the beach. And then when I get to Bridlington, there's a promenade, and then another long promenade until I get to my final destination there. So it's around 2 or 3 miles today. So both action cameras are set up on this rig on the chest harness today, and they're both going to be set to 4K 30 automatic mode straight out the box, just for a fair comparison there. So on the Action 5 Pro, I've set the rate to ×15, as that matches up identically to the Ace Pro 2's one, because you don't get any options there. It's just straight out the box at the rate it gives you there. So now I'm going to start the Ace Pro 2's Timeshift versus the Action 5 Pro's Hyperlapse. Here we go. made it. That was between 2.5 to 3 miles there. If you can just see, there's a pier sticking out, so I'm about 1 mile behind the pier. So now that you've seen the Hyperlapse versus the Timeshift there, which one do you prefer? For me, it's the Hyperlapse on the Action 5 Pro which I prefer, because in my opinion it gives more of a realistic look. Although the Timeshift on the Ace Pro 2 is really good also, I find you get more of an unrealistic picture in some parts of the footage there, especially in the shadows. It really blows them out. So as always, do stay tuned to the channel, as there's going to be plenty more videos on the horizon. But for now, thanks for watching. Be sure to hit that like and subscribe button, and bye for now.